How you doing, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and enjoy the content, please like and subscribe to support. Now, this is a video I'm not looking forward to making. This happened while I was doing the timing belt on the car, and I've been putting it off, but I'm going to do it now. So you can probably see from the title, this broke. This broke. And this broke. All while just tightening the back in. And when I say tightening the back in, I hadn't even got a ratchet on it. I was literally twisting the back in with the extension and they snapped. So the rest of the bolts I have changed and tightened down to spec, and they're all fine. So we're just going to have to drill these ones out. I bought a drill out kit, so now I'm just going to remove the rocker cover and then get started on that. And I'm already starting to sweat because I don't want to damage the cylinder head. But anyway, okay, so rocker cover off, and you can see we've got one here, and that one in there, which I may have to bite the bullet on and leave. I'm not too confident about getting a small drill bit all the way down there and getting it centered. Apparently the key to doing this, I've done this once or twice before, but I've done it on bigger bolts. And the only time I did it on a bolt this small was on a twin cam Celica. I'd done it on one of the lift bolts, and we did get it out, but it was very tedious. And it was easy enough to get at like these two, but this one I think I might have to just leave. I'm nervous enough about doing this, but we'll see how this goes. So we've got this drill bit set. I'll pick this up, and it's got the reversing bit. So what you do is you drill in with the small one. You drill in normally with the small bit, and then when you have your pilot hole done, you take the other bit and you put this on and you put it in reverse and slowly try and get it to bite the bolt and back it back out of the hole it's in. So we'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. Okay, start crossing all your fingers. Center. This is already turning. It's already turning. The bolt is loose. The bolt is loose. This bolt is not tight at all. Would you believe it? I want to get in a couple of turns with my hand. Come on. Come on. You can see it there, there's a small little notch in it. Oh yes. Yes. Out you come. Yes. You absolute beauty. Oh. One out. No damage to the treads whatsoever. Happy days. Now, let's go on number two. I'm laughing. Now, this one's recessed a little bit more than that one, so let's see how we go with this. Nice and slow. So, drill the smaller pilot hole, and I got the bigger drill bit on it. There you go. Happy days. Two out. Oh, I've been dreading doing that for months. I haven't driven the car in months, but since we done the timing belt, I've been dreading doing that. Oh, today's a good day. Happy days. So there you go. Nice empty, clean hole. I didn't damage the treads at all. I just had a look at the bolts that were in there and I took them out. All the treads are intact, and I've got all the metal filings out, as you can see there. So I'm going to just splash a WD-40 down the hole just to clean it out. I'm still not going to touch the longer one here. It's far too deep in there, and I'm going to cut my losses and just have the rest of them all good. They should be well enough there just to seal it down. there's a fresh seal on it, so should be enough. Here are the bolts. There you go, 2 of them. And as I said, I was only tightening them down by hand. I was literally holding the extension, twisting the extension in, and the first bit of purchase that I got on it, they snapped, all 3 of them. So that didn't even get a chance to torque them. So let's go and get the cover back on. Let's get our fresh bolts in. So the second little surprise left by the previous owner is this. This is the corner of the engine cover. Lovely. It looks like he's already tried to epoxy or something, I don't really know, but it hasn't worked. When we were doing the timing belt, as soon as we lifted it, it fell off. It was epoxied and sealed, a lot of crap. So I literally just, I haven't been driving the car, so I just put it back and I waited until I got something better and I knew I'd be doing them bolts. So I have some JB weld. There we go. I'm going to have this JB weld, and hopefully that does it, because I'll be driving the car next week, so I can't get a rocker cover between here and there. They're on eBay, but they're about €500 each, there or thereabouts. They're expensive. The car's a little bit too old to be able to find one in the scrapyard, so I'll keep my eye out for one, but for now this is going to have to do. Let's give it a go. Okay, so I'll come into my porch because it's getting a little bit dark out, a bit better light here. So I mixed the JB weld there. I've used a small little flat head and my finger, and I've got it as neat as I can where the seal actually goes. Looks okay. The lucky thing was that the part was a clean break and it fits straight in, so I've got it as clean as I can. I hope I can get a good picture of that. Clean as I can. I'm going to let it sit for a while and then I will put it back on the car, but the cure time is 4 to 6 hours, so I'm not going to put a bolt anywhere near that till tomorrow possibly. So that's that. Hopefully this works. Right, so rocker cover back on. You can see in the back corner there, sorry the lighting isn't great, it's getting a little bit late here, but it's holding. We've got our JB weld on there and we'll get a new bolt in on that in the morning. This bolt is staying right where it is, because I'm not going to tackle that, and the rest of the bolts I'm going to replace with this. One hold set the other day, stainless steel 304 grade, so they're going in. I think, what was it, an M6 is the thread, and these are the correct length. We took the other ones out that weren't snapped and checked them. These are actually just ever so slightly shorter, so there's no issues there. So I'm going to get these bolts in. I'm not going to torque them down, I'm just going to hand tighten them tonight, and then I'll do all the torquing down tomorrow once this corner has set. So I'm going to hand tighten them all in tonight, and then I'm going to replace the bolts that were holding in the coil packs. I'm going to find the equivalent size in air to what I have, and then that's it all buttoned up. I can't explain how relieved I am to get those bolts out here and get that corner redone, because it was playing on my mind for months. I've barely driven the car since I got it in November. Probably done about 60 miles and I sorted the insurance out recently because it's summer and I was just too busy, to be fair. But soon enough now we're going to be going to the Nürburgring, so another 1 or 2 little jobs that you'll see on the channel, and then hopefully we'll be going to Germany. I'm going to be getting the ferry from Dublin, Holyhead, then driving Holyhead Dover to Calais, and then Calais through the Nürburgring. I'll be staying at the Ring House, I think it's called, the home of the Silver Arrow. You'll find that online, and then I'll be there for a couple of days. Hope to get a few laps in and enjoy it. I've never been to the Nürburgring. I won't be trying to break the lap record, I just want to go and enjoy the track. So that's my plan. If you've watched the video this long, thank you very much. Thanks very much if you crossed your fingers and toes and anything else you can get your hands on, because it worked and I got 2 of the 3 bolts out without damaging any threads or any parts of the engine, and now I can just put fresh bolts in, and that's a big weight off my shoulders. So thanks very much. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already to support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.